Yo, what's up you guys, welcome back to another video. You know, the kind of content where you get free educational breakdowns on the pairs that I will be trading within the new week. Now, without any further ado, let's jump straight into it. But before we do that, yo, well done to the Springboks for winning the World Cup 4th time in a row. Good job, guys. Without any further ado, let's go and jump straight into it there. Firstly, now, if you have not watched this video that I did yesterday over here, I have gone through the fundamental information as well as the bias for the dollar index to be slightly pullback and then continuation to the upside. So if you need to see how we got here and also get some NASDAQ and indices breakdowns, you can just have a look at this video over here. You'll get all the information there. Next up, we're going to take a look at Euro USD. This was the last update there, anticipating that move to the upside. Excuse me, and that is exactly what the market did. Hopefully CNBC is watching and you can maybe organize for a month. So what we currently have now is we got a market that is currently trading below very important structure. We also have this potential head and shoulders pattern that we can see take place over here. Going into the new week, I guess it's clear as daylight. We already tested support. I do expect to pull back up and then this move down for the market to complete this head and shoulders pattern, which is considered a bearish pattern from a technical perspective. Geo also went exactly as anticipated. This market also still got some room to continue lower over here, so also expecting this move down. We also have this previous level that got support that got broken. Market came back, tested it as resistance. Again, we can see this move take place. AUDUSD, I don't know what's going on with AUDUSD, but again, I can't do anything about this because this market is once again still stuck within this consolidation phase. So we need to wait for clear breaker structure and then we'll come back to that. Next up, USD CAD also went exactly as anticipated. Market is breaking structure and the next point of reference would be this level over here. Remember, if the market can go this high, there is nothing stopping it from continuing to go higher. However, the price of oil has been down lately, but I do expect a pullback first and then a continuation. Now, you might be wondering why I expect a weaker USD CAD and I expect the dollar index to get stronger because CAD is correlated with oil and I do expect a pullback on oil. So I do expect a correction on USD CAD before a continuation to the upside. Now, let's go through some of the questions that we have received over here. Akas is saying, you're dropping bombs. Thank you. What is happening with your mouse? No, nothing's happening with the mouse, but this is not a high top of the range mouse, so it does seem to do its own thing here and there. Offense is saying, my brother, your breakdowns are clear and easy. I wonder why you're not rolling in that paper yet. I understand that the market does what it does sometimes. However, utilizing the leverage the prop firms offer you to be way ahead of building your financial empire. Wish you more prosperity and abundance. We will change our worlds and the world if those around us. Thank you so much for that beautiful words. Matteo, bless and thank you for the update. You're welcome. Ziad, hi Rolio, do you think the market will move normally? No, so the market never moves normally because in where we are now is similar to what happened throughout COVID. Now, the best way I try to explain to people is think of yourself as an investor, right? When you have invested millions and millions of money, let's say with Jerome Powell, right? Jerome Powell, you've invested money with him, and Jerome Powell controls, let's say, the price of tires, right? You invested with Jerome Powell because he sells tires, right? Now, think of it this way. When people start to strike, for instance, right, they burn tires. When people start to strike, you automatically become worried, and because you think it's going to impact your investment over there. And because of that, people tend to take out their money in certain things, because that creates uncertainty. and they put it in things that's likely to grow throughout those times. Now in this case, with things that's going on at the moment, you see the stock market starts to tumble because stocks is going to take a hit. Now people invest in gold because gold is considered a safe haven. So whenever you see these geopolitical events, or even COVID that they had, or disease, or massive lockdown, you can always think of yourself as an investor, how you would behave if you invested in something, and something that's happening at the moment could potentially impact your portfolio. So the best thing to do is take your money out there and you put it somewhere where it's safe. That is it from my side. Thank you for your time. And as always, cheers for yours.